Hello my loves, my name is Joe, and international owner of the Collective Cosmetics, blah blah blah. Does this make a difference? The slightest. God, the special. This is going to be Valentines. Stripped. Hey guys, this is Joe and welcome to a collective special where we talk about product to concept. I am the international owner of the Collective Cosmetics. If you don't know that, I'm so sick of saying that line, and I run the international side. Hello, my name is Joe. I am from Northern. That's correct. I don't know why I've just said that like that. And I run the international side of the business. However, I live in England. Brexit, oh God. Let's stop. So let's just jump straight into the video. Today, welcome to one of our concept to product videos, and this is around one of our February 2020 launches, and it is the Stripped collection. The Stripped collection consists of 5 beautiful eyeshadows, lip lacquer that's such a gorgeous shimmer, stunning neutral lip with a brown undertone, and a stunning barely there highlighter. So coming into 2020, the Collective Cosmetics, we just really want to grow, and so whenever we sat down in the new year to talk about where we want the first quarter of the year to go, the Stripped collection was one of those that I just had in my mind that I just needed to get out there. It was so exciting for us. This is something that we've always wanted to do. The Stripped collection is something that was a bit out there for us, which is ironic because it's probably one of our most basic collections, and the whole idea of it was stripped back and stripped down, stripped nude, revealing your inner beauty, because really what we love about makeup is it's a chance to play and escape, be that through transformation or just elevating the natural beauty that you already have. We believe that there is beauty in absolutely everyone, unless you've got a shit personality, and that is the thesis. Most people, everyone's unique, and like, obviously we have insecurities. Like I've got a tooth that crosses over from having 2 sets of wisdom teeth, 4 and then 2, and then I've still got 2 that need to come through. Don't want to talk about my hair's thinning. I break out quite bad sometimes. I've put on weight from Christmas, like, and the Stripped promo photos of me, of the one in here, I know, like, if you've seen me you'll think it's just like every other photo, Joe, but there was something about it, not spraying my hair a different colour and pulling back on the foundation and leaving my chest exposed, just a little couple of roses. It was something that at first I was like, oh, I don't know if I feel comfortable with this, but then I thought, practice what you preach. You preach self-love, you preach about loving who you are, accept your flaws, and that's really what the Stripped collection is. It's about just pulling everything back and just giving you that wearable, everyday glam, or you can hype that up, full on 10 out of 10, go full on out, like really get in there and be just who you want to be. And that's the beauty of makeup, that's what we love so much about it. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the collection. 5 beautiful shadows. First one is this stunning, deep, red, purpled, berry tone. It swatches like an absolute dream. Little bit of sheen in it whenever you're blending it out. That's really going to help you glide that, blend that out over the eye. It packs a punch in pigmentation. There's hardly any fallout for it. I've been testing these shadows now for a good couple of weeks. If you've seen like any of these tones and you think, oh, that looks like that Joe's used, that more than less is this tone. It's why sometimes I don't even like list products anymore, because I'll be testing that much new stuff. We'll be testing that much new stuff that you don't want to give anything away. However, the highlighter of this collection is a riff on the highlighter that I've been calling It's a Secret. And I've been using that for months, and this whole collection was built around the idea of that highlighter. About just that natural everyday, because one of the comments we always get is your makeup for the makeup you do? Every makeup's for anyone. I've said this a million times. It was to show people that, yeah, we can do naturals. The next one is this stunning dusty rose with a brown undertone. This is a satin matte. Hello. Like, this colour is absolutely beautiful. This is the all over your eye, running out the door. You've got 5 minutes to get ready. The same way, just throwing it in the crease, deepen it up with this or the brown that I'm going to show you in a minute. Whenever we launched these, for the product shots on the website, if you go to the full collection site, you'll see that as well as picturing all 5 shadows together, I've also separated them in some colour stories that would go well together. That's the thing, these colours work so well together. The amount of looks you can create is absolutely limitless. And the next colour on the list is this stunning shimmer. Just look at that reflect. It's very much the same sort of colour, but in a different finish. It's got more of a golden reflect running through it, but it also pull the berry tones depending on what sort of light source you're using. This is such a beautiful colour story. It's natural, it's everyday. Next up we'll do the brown, shall we? This stunning brown colour has a very deep and rich red base. It ties into the whole collection. You can see work deeper and richer than this red. I'll swatch those next to each other so you can really see them. Do you see the difference here? This one's richer, it's deeper. You throw this all on your crease, you're lightening it up with like this shimmer, maybe blending it out with this one. And this on the outer V just creates this like depth to the look, but it keeps it tied together and cohesive. And that was important to us because we always want to build a brand that has everything that you could possibly want. We're always open to suggestions. As I'm filming this now, it is the 14th of January now. On the Collective Cosmetics Instagram, we are currently having polls where we're wanting your feedback. And from that, we're going to be bringing back some limited edition products that we took away. We're going to be reformulating a couple of things. We're going to be going forward, we're going to be focusing on what you want. And that's really important. Us is we are a family. We have always said this, the Collective Cosmetics is me and Sarah and yous. We want to build this brand together. The last shadow is this highly reflective. On the website I am describing this as one that you can pack on all over the lid or use as an eyeshadow topper. It's this stunning gold intense shimmer that has a beautiful silver reflect that runs through it. It's highly reflective. It'll really pop against those red tones. Then pop this on your inner corner, down the centre of the lid, bring it up into your brow bone. Absolutely beautiful. And then up next is the 2 lip products. The first one we'll talk about is this stunning gloss. This gloss is absolutely beautiful. It's very similar to the eyeshadow that I just showed you last. I'll swatch them beside each other to show you. Shadow, gloss. There you go. This is absolutely packed with shimmers. Shimmer that we're putting in this is absolutely insane, to be honest with you. It was one of those that whenever we're breaking down the costs, where we're like, used to need to simmer, but when we're like, do you know what? It is worth it. This collection is dream products that we've always wanted to have in our kit, to have in our personal stash, and create the products that we want to create. And, you know, if we'll go bust, we'll go bust. So as you can see, it's so conditioning on the lips. Whenever I have like a chapped lip, I always just throw on one of our lip glosses very thinly, or you can really pack it on. These are eye safe as well. So imagine a glossy look, but with that intense shimmer just catching the light. As you can see, we've got the same golden theme running through. And those tones, the rich rosy colours, the muted down, and the intense golds. It's absolutely stunning. And then obviously the matte lipstick to go with it. I'm going to put it out there. I think this is going to be my most used Collective Cosmetics lip product. We wanted to go conditioning on the lips for this product, so there is a little bit of oils, lip conditioning oils in it. And it's just... I hate this saying, but your lips but better kind of vibe. I'll put it on, I'll show you. There is something just so flattering about this colour. And then also what I like to do, and just in the centre, tap that on. and you're getting that high intense shine and yet that stunning colour. It dries down absolutely matte. And then the product that sparked the whole stripped collection is our stunning highlighter. Again, this highlighter will come in our 56mm handy case. It's just that beautiful. I'll just pop a little touch on. That brush is so hard. It absolutely melts into the skin. No fallout, no drama. Look at that, just gives you that like lit from within. That candlelight caress, that's the perfect name for it, if I don't say so myself. It just really like warms you up, and the more you blend this into the skin, the more it'll like sink under the skin. I love this highlighter. Love it. As you'll see, whenever you swatch it, it looks like it's going to have such a strong white cast. It looks very thick, but believe me, the second you start blending this into your skin, it just melts right in. It just adds that depth and dimension. This highlighter is perfect for every single day. It is perfect for your no makeup. You just want that little lit from within. This. 3 products to make you look together, look awake, and as if you haven't even made any effort. And because it is no effort, it is so easy. Look at that. Look, that just looks so much more. So I'm just going to take that lovely rose colour on a brush and blend out. I've dipped in once. Eyeshadow blends out like an absolute dream. And just, because of my eyes as well, I'm not bringing this the whole way into the inner corner, just on the outer. I always grab a nice little clean brush and just blend that. I like do whatever you want, it's your face, do whatever you want. And you see, it just gives you that nice, look at that, easy peasy, wasn't hard at all. You've got like a nice subtle lip, a nice little just a gleam on the eye, nothing too major. A beautiful highlight that really looks like it is your skin but glowing. Just say I wanted to deepen, it's do both, brown and red. Just tap that here on your outer V, lightly. Take what was my blending brush, bring that round. These shadows are so easy to work with. My shimmer, just on a finger. Easy, what, 2 minutes? A minute? To do just a nice little, imagine just throwing on a little eyeshadow now, you're done. Just do a little bit more highlight. In for a penny, in for a pound. No foundation, took what, 4 minutes? There's a quick look. Your colours won't muddy up on you, they're distinct but they're so cohesive that they'll always blend in together beautifully. They take no effort at all. One tip, I always, 2 identical brushes, one I use to apply the shadow, one I use to blend out the shadow, and that's something I've always just done. It gives you a seamless look and it's so much easier. If you just grab a brush, a clean brush, just think that is absolutely stunning. I need to hurry up. And then taking my little satin matte from before, that rose. On a big brush, normally I would use a bigger brush than this. And just, you know, that is simple. Honestly, 5 minutes, easy peasy done. A satin spray, good to go. And like we have always said, with the Collective Cosmetics, we want to give you a bang for your buck. So of course, we're coming out with the bundle options. Following the Area 51 collection, we have kind of bundled them up this sort of same way. You can get the full collection. That's 5 shadows, a lip gloss, liquid lip and a highlighter for the $80. Or you can get our trio of eyeshadows. Rose collection is the 3 pink toned colours. That's $20. Also we have the lip bundle. The beautiful together, so conditioning. This side feels so nice compared to this side. Or we have the highlight and the gloss bundle. And as well, every product is going to be available to buy on its own, so you can mix and create between the 2 collections to create the products that you want most in your kit. As always, we love seeing you using our products and creating looks, so please, if you create any, follow us and tag us on the Collective Cosmetics on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. We're not quite there yet, that's a conversation Sarah and I's having. And remember, you can shop all this collection at www.thecollectivecosmetics.com. I hope you love these products as much as we did. I look beautiful. if I don't say so myself. I'm going to match this on the other side and then go. Stunning, beautiful. Who is she? Don't know her. Thank you so much for watching. It's been an absolute pleasure, and I hope to see you all soon, my loves. I'll see you after. Goodbye. Play up the neutral. You okay? Heard of elephants? I'll be it. Not the bad day of my life. Oh, for fuck's sake. What you call 5? Not quad, that's 4. Cinco de Mayo. I am swatching this over the hairiest part of my wrist. Do you remember years ago, the brand that was like, well, don't swatch over your hairy arms? I hate me sometimes.